Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting the essentials: the exact Google account address, the most recent password you remember, and any recovery phone or email. Once done, use the same device and Wi-Fi where you normally sign in because Google uses that signal to verify you. Next, go straight to the account recovery flow and enter the deleted account. If prompted, choose the option to try another way rather than abandoning the process. This moves you into deeper verification steps. Now focus on proving ownership. Follow any Google prompts and request verification codes to your recovery email or phone. If codes aren't available, provide details like the month and year you created the account, recent Google services you used, and names of devices that accessed it. If you have backup codes or a hardware key, use them. Make sure each answer is consistent and specific. Small details like device names or approximate dates often tip the decision in your favor during automated review. Finish by completing any final Google recovery forms and attach ID only if explicitly requested during the flow. Once submitted, monitor your recovery and alternate inboxes closely. Responses typically arrive in 1 to 3 days. If your request succeeds, reset the password immediately and enable two-step verification plus backup codes. If it fails, don't panic. Try again after 24 hours from the same device and location, supplying more precise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.